Evacuate now. Emergency. Evacuate now.
Okay, it's five in the morning. Gonna see what's happening. This smell of smoke, you can see it in the air as well. So I don't know what's happening, but everyone is okay. I've got the mods here. Let me tell you, it's fucking freezing. It's 5 a.m. I'm trembling. It's winter. Look at the smoke filling the streets. It's not looking good. Okay, they've gone. I think they've given the clearance to go back upstairs. Thank God, because it's friggin' freezing, but I don't know what's with the smoke. It's still here. Oh. So cold. They came in here and they turned off the sound, the alarm, but they didn't put anything, so I don't know what they've done. They've just left. I hope it's friggin' safe. Kitchen lift now. Hey, that was bizarre. I'm at home now. I don't know what to make of that. The professionals have left. They've left. They didn't do anything. Did they smell what I smelled? I don't know. Anyway, good night. Going back to bed. Look, my eyes. Okay, that was very concerning. Yeah. Good night.